Okay.
Where that sprinkle stuff at?
It's underneath there. Did I put it? Yeah, right there. Yeah, yo.
Lives, baby. Need some lives. I am hungry.
Nothing.
Popeyes did not have our stuff. It wasn't even open.
No, it wasn't. This is it. Yes. Shot glasses. What? Yeah, yo. All right. Okay. Let me go get a tag for it.
Chocolate.
Oh, okay. Yes, I'm back. I hope she hasn't been boring you. Oh, that's so nice. Yes. Got something going on over there.
Creation.
I'm glad I should have thought of this when I made the other video to put these things up so you can see the cake.
Oh, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh,
Folks,
wow. It looks so pretty in here.
check out the cake.
Oh, that is so nice. I like it.
And that's that.
Why don't you put, okay, let me add something.
What? Give me a green.
I'm just going to lose something. Okay.
Oh, some on the other side. Yeah. Fill it out, huh?
Yeah. There you go.
There we go.
There you go. See, she knew that already. She just wanted to see if I knew. There you go. Bam.
Test check.
Bam. Okay. I made you a tag right here.
That's so great. Oh my God.
I made you a tag right there. I think I got one more.
So beautiful.
Oh, I got this other one. This is so nice. I like this one. Oh my goodness. It's my favorite one. It's my favorite one. What is it? Hula party.
And then you can take your phone around the front and give them a visual.
Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. All right. And see, it has this the little tubular things on the side, supposed to be like bamboo. So I just use a comb that gives us somewhat that effect. Bam. Oh, I need that.
Right. And I understand that because I don't like that. I don't like that I have to do that. I don't think it's right for me to work as hard as I do and then I give you my hour.
My little picture here. then we're gonna put our leaves around it. Okay.
I was about to pass out. I had to go eat something.
Oh, I gotta make me a sandwich.
Yeah, that sounds good too.
Yes, I haven't had a sandwich.
I just want to kill one of Jose's lasagna things off the.
Oh, I had that my last
Get
video.
tired of that sometimes, though.
Yeah, you do. That's why I'm gonna go make me a sandwich. I think it's time for a nice sandwich.
That is beautiful. That really does look like the hula thing.
It does.
Oh my gosh, she is just amazing.
Oh wow.
This place is just really gonna go down when she leaves.
You know what?
I feel bad for them.
I just had Erica on here cussing. I'm gonna have to edit that out. But I understand when she coming.
What's wrong? What's the problem is?
Her coming to work and calling out. She said, "Yeah, I ain't got no gas money. You gonna come pick me up?"
That's true though.
It is. I would do the same thing. You want me to come to work, but you ain't gonna give me no pay. And I ain't gonna get my pay till the next pay? Oh, come on. No. That's ridiculous.
Very.
Where do they do that at?
Here.
Oh, wow. She is so right.
Here, okay?
Yeah.
You know, the government is just really full of ish. I thought I was gonna say shit, right?
No. But you just said it.
Oh, darn. I tried. You two, I'm so sorry.
Oh, my God. That was a good one.
That was a good one.
Yeah,
Thanks.
yeah. Okay. All right. We got you.
I didn't mean that.
We got you. You want me to make you a sandwich too?
Yes, what kind of sandwich are you going to make?
I don't know. I gotta get me
That
some
sounds
good bread though.
Yes, girl. I'm hungry.
Get some good
My
bread.
hormones are just like flowing everywhere, and I just need something to eat. Okay, if I die here, I'm about to pass out.
Oh my
Girl,
God.
I was about to die here in the job,
No, you ain't.
right next to Naja. She was going to have to give me CPR.
Oh wow. Look at the bobblehead.
Oh, it is a bobblehead.
Isn't it cute? It's so cute.
Cute, a little hula girl.
Yeah. Yeah.
I know how to hula.
Oh, you not a hula?
How to do the hula?
You not a hula?
Yeah, girl.
No, I don't.
I used to do the hula when I was little. I used to have a hula skirt and everything.
Oh wow. I could believe that.
I did.
I just love the Minions. They are so cute. So cute. Where am I going to put you? I'm going to put you over here.
Hey, are you going to that party for real?
No, I didn't tell you have to go to my mama's house.
Oh, so you
Yeah.
go?
No, I gotta spend the night with her. Spend the night with her. You still can go.
Go by myself.
Oh, yeah. What about is it Alice? Nicia?
Oh,
Not
no,
Alice.
I don't talk to Alice.
Oh, yours? Okay.
We still ain't talking.
All right. We're not gonna talk about that in the film. Okay. Wow. Okay. Am I finished? Oh, I gotta put them little flowers on there.
See, she's always beating me, y'all. She was never prosper.
Oh, no, she didn't. Why I gotta be a cheater? Why?
See how fast she got done with that?
That's because I didn't go somewhere and eat, and didn't even be like, hey girl,
I didn't want to tell YouTube on you.
That's how Mel and Daddy feed us, remember?
True that.
Okay. They feed us well. And the pay is good, but I have to go further. Don't say nothing. Okay. All right. I need my blue and I need my... Oh, this is nice. You see them big flowers? They ain't supposed to be that big, but...
No.
Yeah, I ain't feel like changing the tip. Yeah. A little lazy.
It's okay. It still looks nice.
Yeah, there you go. But I am gonna make us a sandwich though.
What kind of sandwich?
Well, I want me what's that? I want some honey glazed ham. Some honey glazed ham, Vermont cheddar, and a bunch of vegetables. Yes.
What kind of vegetables do you like? Tell the world.
I like cucumbers, red onions, all the colors of the bell pepper, romaine lettuce, green leaf lettuce, not iceberg lettuce, because iceberg lettuce serve no purpose to the body, and it just builds up water. It's useless. Okay.
Drink some Dasani.
Yes, but better be the water with the electrolytes in it. Let me get my pink.
What kind of? Oh, that kind of water.
Yeah, that electrolyte.
That's
water.
like special water.
Yes, and it helps the body. It does a lot of things. A lot of people don't know that.
It's okay, because now they know.
Oh wow, I didn't even think of it like that. Okay, who has the white? Who has the white? I got the white in front of my face. Yeah. Okay, that did not rhyme. You get off at 2 today, don't you?
Hoodoo.
That hoodoo be you do.
No, girl, no.
It's 1.
Yeah, every day, baby.
I get off at 1 too.
That's good. See, that's a shocker for you, though.
Yeah, that way I have time to edit my video. Okay, and we're finished. Oh, please don't tip over. Is that beautiful or what? Okay.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Love you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah, you know.
Yes. Okay, what else are we looking for?
Oh, you wasn't done. I thought you was about
You
to
gonna give a
sign
shout
off.
out? You gonna give a, no, not really.
Huh?
Not yet. You gotta finish your stuff. You gonna give a shout out to your boys?
Yeah, I want to give a shout out to Zay, aka Palamalu. You know what I'm saying? Then Greg, 43. Check him out. Know what I mean?
Bam.
Greg, number 5. Jeezy,
Knocking them
AKA
out.
Right.
Knocking them out. Okay.
You know it.
That's what her boys do. Knock them out.
That's right. You lay them down.
Bam. All right. I know your mother probably. Ooh, those girls are so crazy. Okay. Did I make a sticker for this? Did I?
No. Remember, you doing all that.
Okay. All right. Okay, let me go. Oh my goodness. You got yellow? You got yellow cake, right?
Yeah.
Yes, this cake costs $25.99.
Too expensive.
$25.99. It's a quarter sheet yellow cake, buttercream icing. How exciting!
Very exciting.
Nice in here. This is so for you.
Gotta give them a view after this Star Wars.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so you Margaret, you know, she's so just really show the people what they need to see.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yes, she is doing the Star Wars. Yes. Bam. Yes. All right. We're going to sign out because we're hungry. And it is what it is. So.
Pilly and Millie. Millie
Oh, wow,
and
Billy and
Millie.
Millie. Yes, and we're going to sign out right now. Mom, would you like to say anything to the go-getters?
Bye, y'all. Peace, love, and harmony. Live, laugh, love.
There you go. I think she said it all. Comment, like, share, and subscribe down below.